When attaching your modern pergola post to a poured concrete slab or a landscape column top, you want to start with your aluminum post mount. Assuming that this is a poured concrete patio, you'll set your post in your desired location. And you want to keep in mind that you don't have the edge of the post mount too close to the edge of the concrete. Anything closer than 2 inches, you'll run the risk of, when you put in your fastener, blowing the edge of that concrete out, and then your post won't hold. So if you're putting it here on a patio, 3 inches, 4 inches is good. Anything less than that is a little risky. If you purchase the column trim kit, you're going to need at least 3 inches inset from the post base to make sure that column trim ring doesn't overhang the outside edge. Now, if you're mounting to a landscape column top, in this case we have Indiana limestone. You're going to want to make sure that your column top is a high quality product, at least 4,000 psi. In the case of Indiana limestone, that's usually a pretty good choice. Here we've marked previously the center of this column. Once we have that there, I use large diameter Tapcons to hold these posts down. This is a 3" by 3/8 inch thick LDT, and we use a hammer drill attach your mount like so. You can go ahead and level the mount with a torpedo level and composite shims, and then add another bolt in every corner.